In this video, I will show you how to send disappearing photos or videos on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open Instagram app on your mobile. Now tap message icon at the top right side. Select the contact to whom you wish to send photo or video. Next, tap the camera icon in the bottom left corner. Record a video or take a photo. You can even add filters or effects if needed. Now choose View Once option by clicking the bottom left corner to make the photo or video disappear after the recipient views it. After setting View Once, tap Send to send the photo or video. The recipient will only be able to view it once. So that is how you can send disappearing photos or videos on Instagram. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.